So you want to do some keyword research so you can do some SEO on your website. DIY, I respect that. Now the thing is, what happens when you start looking into this, if you're just starting in SEO, is you see all of these tools for keyword research. You need to get SEMrush, you need to get Moz, you need Ahrefs, you're going to spend $1 zillion a month, right? Wrong. You don't need that to get started. In fact, there's some free stuff that can give you some really powerful data and help you optimize your website right out of the gate. You just need to know what they are. And there's two things I'm going to show you right now. If you combine them, you can get some awesome reports that can really help you optimize your main pages on your website. Those two things are Google Search Console and Looker Studio. Get Search Console set up. You need to have it start collecting data. If you've got it set up, you can start doing this right now. So follow along, and I'm going to show you how to make a keyword research report that can help you do SEO on your website in under 90 seconds. Let's do this. A couple quick things before we get started building this report. Number one, again, you need to have a currently active Google Search Console account for your website that has data in it, or you're not going to be able to build this report. Number two, before you get into anything here, you need to be logged into that same Google account before you get into Looker Studio. And number three, obviously, you need to get into Looker Studio. So lookerstudio.google.com, you can see that's where we're at right here. And I said I'm going to do this in under 90 seconds, so I'm going to run the clock. So let's get rolling, starting right now. First thing you need to do in Looker Studio is click on Blank Report. Then Google's going to ask you what data source you'd like to pull from. We've already said it's going to be Google Search Console. So if you start typing in search, it brings up Search Console. Select your website. Then you want URL impressions. And then you want to select web. And then click add. And you're off and running. So the next thing it's going to ask you is what style of layout you'd like. You want a free-form layout for this report. You're going to stretch a little rectangle out so you've got some room to work with. Give yourself a little room at the top because you're going to put a date range control filter up there. Then you just need to start selecting your dimensions. The thing we're most curious about out of the gate here, of course, is our queries. So that gives us our keyword data. You'll see we'll start populating over there. Now, which pages are ranking for that keyword are really important. That's going to be a key to what you want to do with this report as well. So the second dimension you want to select here is landing page. Then for your metrics, URL clicks is already there, so that's how many clicks you're getting from Google. Now you just want to add impressions, which is the number of times that your pages appear in Google. And last but not least, we want to know how high we rank. So put in average position here, and boom, we've got a pretty good report going right now. So now if you just go up to Insert and scroll down, you can see there's a date range control. You just drag that or click on it and drag out here. Select where you want it, and boom, you've got yourself a report right here that has keyword data, the associated landing page, the clicks, impressions, and average position for each one of those. We're on the clock, and boom, look at that. $1.29 came in, and we've got yourself a really valuable keyword report here that you can start using to optimize your website. I'm going to show you some more tricks that you can do with this, but for right now, this will get you started. Hang with us at Netvantage. We're going to show you all sorts of useful things you can do to help optimize your website. And as always, if you've got questions, just reach out to us. We're happy to help.